Hello, I am Dr. John Knight. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here in Walnut Creek. I've been in general practice for 37 years, specializing in sports medicine and joint replacement. Over the years, I have been a team doctor at a number of high schools and colleges in the area, dealing with young athletes, talking to them and helping them with their injuries. As I have aged and my patients have aged, I find myself doing mostly joint replacement these days, specializing in hip and knee surgery, as well as still tending to general sports medicine and orthopedic problems, including shoulder, knee, and ankle. It's most important to me, philosophically, that the patient is part of the process and not being dictated to. This way, we are both on the same page. I believe it decreases stress and anxiety and allows you to make a quicker, happier recovery. Lately, there have been great advances in robotics. And one of the newest technologies that we are using in our practice is the robotic-assisted joint replacement, also known as ROSA. This is a system that allows the doctor to fully control the operation, but the addition of the robot allows us to so fine-tune the knee from a balance standpoint that we anticipate much greater stability, quicker recovery, and better overall function. I enjoy taking care in particular of hip and knee arthritis problems. My practice these days is focused primarily on joint replacement with this new emphasis on higher technology systems. If you have a hip or a knee problem, or any orthopedic problem that you have concerns about or like an opinion, I would love to be able to see you in our office.